What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be whale watching. Hopefully we see some sea lions, dolphins, and some whales. I also stream on Twitch Monday through Sunday from 1 to 6 p.m. Hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe.
Alright, good afternoon, folks. Welcome aboard La Espada. Just real quick before we get too far away, a few things of safety. We are a Coast Guard licensed and inspected vessel, so what that means is we have all the necessary life-saving and firefighting equipment on board. Life jackets are located downstairs inside of the main cabin, underneath the blue bench seating. They'll go on in case of an emergency. Just like a vest or a jacket, a strap goes behind your back, underneath the arms, and they will fasten in the front. We do have life rafts located on the upper deck, all the way aft, and they're designed to float freely on the road if needed. We also have fire extinguishers and life rings located throughout the vessel. In the unlikely event of a water emergency, please stand by and follow instructions from the crew. Now, we do have restrooms on board. They're on the main deck all the way towards the... So if anyone is wearing a hat, I want to hold on to those hats and make sure they're on tight. If anyone should have any questions, please feel free to ask them. Other than that, sit back, relax, make yourselves comfortable.
Cool stuff today. So us as humans, we have what's called binocular vision. So our eyes move in the same direction at all times. They also have binocular vision, but they can also change it to monocular vision, like chameleons. So they can move their eyes in different directions and look in separate directions as well. Because they're all going to be eating the same thing, schooling fish and squid.